In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Telegram on desktop. If you've ever wanted to type faster, multitask, or just keep conversations going while you work, Telegram Web makes it simple to use your chats right from your computer. Start by opening any modern web browser and heading to the official Telegram website at web.telegram.org. It works on Windows, macOS, and Linux, and it runs smoothly in browsers like Chrome, Edge, Firefox, and Safari. Make sure you have a stable internet connection and consider pinning the tab so you can jump back to your chats quickly throughout the day. Once the site loads, you'll see two ways to sign in. Choose whichever is more convenient for you. Sign in with a QR code or sign in with your phone number. Both methods securely connect your desktop session to your Telegram account. If you prefer the QR code method, open Telegram on your phone. Go to Settings, then Devices, and tap Link Desktop Device. Your phone's camera will open. Point it at the QR code shown on your computer screen and hold steady for a moment while it scans. This links your account without typing anything, if the camera struggles to focus. Try increasing your monitor's brightness or zooming the page in your browser so the code appears larger. If the scan fails, refresh the page and try again. This method is fast and avoids manually entering codes, which is handy if you switch devices often. If you'd rather sign in with your phone number, click Log in by phone number on the Telegram webpage. Choose your country, enter your mobile number, and proceed. You'll receive a login code inside your Telegram mobile app. Open the app to find that code, then type it into the field on your computer. For security, Telegram typically sends this code in-app rather than by SMS, so check Telegram directly. Keep your phone nearby and remember that codes expire fairly quickly. If you don't see it right away, wait a moment, then check again. Never share your login code with anyone. After you're signed in, your chat list will appear on the left and the conversation view will open on the right. From here, you can continue your existing conversations, start new ones, and keep everything in sync with your phone. Telegram Web mirrors your account, so anything you send or receive updates across devices. That's all you need to start using Telegram on desktop. Pick the login method that suits you best, and you'll be up and running in seconds.